Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for print on demand. Figma is an incredibly versatile design tool, perfect for creating stunning graphics for your custom products. We will explore its powerful features, from setting up your canvas to exporting your final designs. Whether you are making t-shirts, mugs, or posters, Figma provides the precision and flexibility you need. Let's dive into making your print-on-demand journey smooth and successful, ensuring your designs look fantastic every time. Setting up your canvas correctly is the first crucial step. Begin by opening a new design file in Figma. You must accurately set your canvas dimensions to match the exact print area of your chosen product. For optimal print quality, always aim for a resolution of at least 300 dpi. Additionally, ensure your color profile is set to sRGB. This helps maintain color consistency from screen to print, avoiding unexpected variations in your final product. Now, let's focus on the design itself. Leverage Figma's powerful vector tools to create graphics that remain sharp and scalable at any size. When incorporating images, always use high-resolution files and verify you have the necessary usage rights. Remember to maintain a safe zone of at least 1/4 inch from all edges of your design. This prevents crucial elements from being cut off during printing. Think about how your design will visually translate onto the actual product. The final step is exporting your design correctly for print. Always export your file at the highest possible resolution to ensure maximum clarity and detail. For apparel and many other products, selecting a transparent background is essential for a professional finish. Before sending your design to the printer, meticulously double-check every element for any errors or inconsistencies. Creating a mock-up can also help you visualize how your design will appear on the actual product, ensuring satisfaction with the final result.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.